It's your boy Future King of Trades, aka Mr. Sniper, into Twanagasi, Blom. Guys, FABK is hosting a seminar 29 November at Bon Hotel. So make sure that you pull through. Are you a forex trader? Are you struggling with risk management? Are you struggling with making profit? This is the great opportunity for you. So make sure that you pull through. Make sure that you learn from the best. FFBK will be teaching you smart money concept in terms of risk management and psychology on how to make your account to grow. So we are here to assist you. So make sure that you pull through. Make sure that you find the account with HFM for you to be able to get the lucky draw of the funded accounts that will be given away on the 29th November. So make sure that you come, make sure that you get your ticket. It's only 300 or buy two for price of 500. So I can't wait to see you there. I will be with Mr. CV. I will be with Agasman. I will be with BedFX. So make sure that you pull through. Make sure that you come and learn from the best. We are here to change your life. Are you ready? Let's talk money. Let's talk mindset. Shaya.